Welcome back, YouTube. So this is another tip with the symmetry tool. All you have to do is go to the canvas, like drawing guide, turn on the drawing guide, edit. You already got symmetry tool right there. Press done. Now I'm just going to use this texture to show if you was to make a simple heart, fill it in. You don't have to go around your whole design. Also the same with if you had a brush. You can make a simple heart. However you want to do it. But definitely it will help out with a lot of things. Like if you were drawing the face. Things like that. That's an ugly nose. Bigger face than that. But whatever it is. Like whatever the face is, boom, boom. It could definitely help you all out, save a whole lot of time. Y'all let me know, bro. The symmetry tool is definitely great, definitely great. With the 2 fingers to back out, 2 fingers to back out. But yeah, if you got a symmetry tool, you're trying to do something, don't hurt. It definitely saves a lot of time. Saves a lot of time, y'all.